Alright, hi YouTube. I was just wondering, this morning I thought, how do you remove this fuel door? See, if you look at the door, I wanted to wrap this, but I didn't want the wrap to be ending right here. I wanted it to be hidden inside. So I was thinking, how do I get it done? So, I actually figured it out just now. So, one of the things, you just need a flathead screwdriver. You need to peel this sticker, and under it you will find a tab like that. Then you take the screwdriver. Let's see if I can show it. Yeah. So I just stuck my screwdriver in there. Pull up the tab, and push out. Sorry. A second. Oh man. There we go. So I pulled it up and I push it out, then the slides off. So now this is how it looks on the inside. Basically, when you're pulling up that tab, this is what it's actually doing. It's just pulling up that tab, which is related right on this. So that's what it's latched into that, and you're just pulling it up so it can slide out. So yeah, thanks.